Abusuafo memo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so munuaba adwoa searching me na mede we ebrel na mesra so be subscribe to my channel na do nsa emia bell ne so we be notification ensem ekoso wo memu bia benye bia tie anase wo benye bia hwe e wo GCN page ha. Bishop Bosomtwe ayensu na okase oye Methodist bishop na nesema okina ne se Ghana for kasa ya kasa ede afa his excellency Nana Danko Akoffu Addo na membu ho e wo man Ghana mu se Nana Addo na membu no eye corrupt enyama enkonye basabasa ye na de no yem provide the evidence e de mpa na kire se eye his excellency Nana Danko Akoffu Addo na membu a obui kata hye na proye na kire se krono e na kankan ewom enti sa wo ba bia da na his excellence Nana Danko Akoffu Addo ebaye o enyema bebre na papaya ye free SHS NAPCO one district one factory ene enya bebre na his excellency eye na o opposition na kire se government e wo power no eye den yara opposition no ebe criticize the government na e wo power no enti nsem ekoso wo Ghana ha no ehye da enye nwanwa na emum no se mo kase na nado eye corrupt MPP aban no ADC Canada dia evidence ben na mo wa mo de ekasa ne no na Kelvin Taylor our host the program watching again with all due respect ekofa eye bishop ne captioning na chese wake kanadwen ye de a kire ne se enti nyema ekoso wo memu Ghana for complaining na youth na nda fix the country na dia di bishop is wo hu kra na okase ye provide the evidence na yenti ensema Kelvin Taylor e de atudwa
so ebi mo so but the betuma ya na se be bompai amomo minim de abesi Methodist asofofo so but kakra na aka na de be maintain omo sa but bishop say yen kire evidence about Nana Danko Akoffu Addo say bo awabokro no bi anase krono bi esi waban nim enti nyame nipa nyane ntumi ntia no sanka yo twen ba de a anka ebeka bibia kire no but oye nyame nipa enti yebema na kɔ yema yentoa so na asɔre fo no moto na ankasa behwe na kase sɔfo esi ade de edu ne de ekire ye kikire wo nsa kikire wo nan e de wo hye mpaase because de ekore de ayese weyi ai enti we de nyame nipa ne kai mum yenko enim obi ankasa ya no akotia no. All right, the next one is this ohia deliverance ankasa we na ankasa de o say anointing oil no mudi gu tentem na mudi ni hyem mo run dross nyina na sa asofu we mudi ni hyem mo wi na makata so na mo na kosigya so na anua na mo yi no mo wi na mabod pampers na mo na kosan Yesu cross ro ga say oyo ada bo nya minipa ye to be nkasa ankyere sofo enti mo me yenko eni we matter the sofo. All right, this thing too, I saw this. The Ghana Football Association has announced a prize package for each stage of the 2020-2021 MTN FA Cup competition. And the caption down there is from City or say, MTN FA Cup, GFA announced lucrative prize packages. Obibeka said a ball once I'm not going to talk about GFA, but I want to tell MTN something, and I want to tell Ghanaians something. MTN is taking advantage of Ghanaians too much. MTN almost taking advantage of Ghanaians too much. Me, I don't care. Me, here be a sponsorship. MTN, they are cheating Ghanaians and their services are poor. It's the worst network in Ghana. And it's so expensive. And the funny thing is they make so much money in Ghana and their contribution to Ghana no a waste. Adiabechi MTN hitmaker. Adiabechi MTN is sponsoring in Koran Dance Championship. We don't need that. We need better internet, better communication. Sani ebeya ye fa call ye fire phone ne ye fra. Ye be mu say cost ne ye papa. And we don't spend too much. Now it is getting out of hand. MTN network is terrible. The whole world should listen to me. And they are cheating people in Ghana. People buy a lot of credit from MTN. Omo monopolize the system, no. Many politicians be about together. And any network that comes around, they will suppress the network. You can sue me, I don't care. So Ghanaians should start looking for an alternative. Me, I will not say go here or go there. But MTN is getting too comfortable in Ghana. And they are cheating Ghanaians. It is getting out of hand. MTN, they are cheating Ghanaians on all fronts. And then get Ghana in text message, regular text message. I will say a free. And only African text message you charge. Over America, you charge text message. Regular text message, it should be part of your plan. In the MTN Fortuna Ghana for a very long time, they have actually been able to maneuver their ways and gotten some people on board. They use those people to cheat the Ghanaian. Andrea, I chose that they reported their profit. They are making so much, but ask them, say, how much are they contributing? How much are the customers now making those profits? No, how is the service? Terrible service. One of the worst service in Africa. And when you go to the North Africa near there, almost 20 some phone. Go to Morocco, go to Egypt. When you go there, they know. So those people almost some phone, almost some phone. So. But when they come to Africa, and especially Ghana, Nigeria, they know our politicians are criminals. So what they do is they connive with our politicians and make sure, say, some monies that the politicians they will use, that monies they will use in servicing and making sure that their services are better. No, they pay to politicians and they give us shitty internet, shitty service, the worst service. Ultimately from your MTN on all Kasada said the ordinary Benkwanka. And I'm going to take one time and spend time on this MTN. They are cheats. Obit credit 30 Ghana, 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana. Oh, yeah, deduction now. You don't understand where the credit went. And these people are in Ghana. And the reason is, I'm a monopolizer system, no. They don't want anybody to come break that thing. And that monopoly, no. So they are selling every nonsense to Ghana. And Ghanaians, we have no option. It is about time the customers of MTN, a majority of Ghanaians made them understand. Samasa. Want to mean back chronim and by a bad service. That is what pisses me off. Today, when you call people on WhatsApp in Ghana, it said nobody hears anyone. Ping, 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 ping. Now at the actual, you are making profit. So the service now the man is poor. You see, there's a campaign we are going to put together against MTN in Ghana. Oh yes, we are going to put together a campaign. It's going to go worldwide. And those other networks in Ghana, their services are shitty. I am saying MTN because I'm not want the highest number of coverage, highest number of customers. And you become MTN, no? Expensive data bundles, expensive. And then the moment they buy the data, they steal it from them. And then when you complain, nobody listens. The government doesn't listen. MTN doesn't listen. Their customer service is shitty. Every single thing about MTN is shitty. And then what pisses me off is then they connive with the government and give our data to the government. Do you think you can do that in America? Then they'll talk to the government and then our data, our information, they'll give it to the government. They'll give it to NCA. And the Ghana of what to war now Obi Abekachi say, yeah, the COVID-19 app, so everything is being given to government. What kind of nonsense is that? These MTN people are getting out of hand. These MTN people, they are criminals. We need to rise against them. We need to, in fact, start a demonstration against MTN. It's a terrible company, terrible network. Omanyanyoma is Ghana too much. We have given them too much room. Osoriano offer 200,000 Ghana. Oh, I sponsored this children's dance. Oh, I sponsored this FA Cup. Oh, MTN Hitmaker. We don't care about those things. So you came here. You came to Ghana to give us better service and also make sure we, the customers, we experience the best of services. You cannot come. It is your own problem to do those propaganda for government to see you. We just need better services and also we want to make sure, say, the money we spend on data, that money is worth it. MTN has become one of the bogus networks in Africa, especially in Ghana. Go to Nigeria and see. They are giving our data to the government. Tomorrow, release a statement and say we are lying. Thank you. All right, yesterday I showed Mika Assembly Efa Boase Huchere say school Dambia Boase MCN say MC say was spending 50 billion old Ghana cedis. SEC schools. So people were here. Some people were insulting me, saying, it's a lie. Pictures are just pictures. I showed these pictures, right? Because says school now also was spending 50 billion old Ghana also. No. These are some of the schools. Some people were saying, oh, it's a lie, it's a picture. And picture away. So look at the pictures very, very well. Look at the pictures very, very well. These are the things I know baby I'll say. And we politician come especially this girl in Obuasi, so more time if one friend say, love kunedu. Me say show your stomach go to me share. Show your stomach on to me share. Because the phone to your and also on one in Massey. I didn't try.